Okay, here we go. Harper and I are pumping water for the elderberries. Just like this. She puts the extra fertilizer in the bucket as I pump. And there she is, a hard worker. She makes the water look beautiful with flowers and leaves, as you can see. So it's all in good fun. Okay, everybody, just installed the box scraper. I'm getting ready to do some scraping. It went on pretty easy. My little red baby seems to do the trick pretty good. So I am going to go tear up some ground, and I'll show you some progress here in a little bit. Well, going through sod is rather difficult, but it's doing it slowly but surely. I tried digging some of it up, and it was just taking too much time. So I'm just kind of clawing my way through. But it seems to be doing the trick. Taking out a lot of holes. I am having to remove some of the sod though that builds up. But it's taking it down. There you go. Just keep working at it. This is probably about an hour's worth of work here. But I keep bulking up and dumping it off to the side here. But we'll get it. I'm hungry now. I'm gonna eat some lunch. Over and out. Here we are. About an hour later. Got it drug out pretty good. Now we're just got some other things I got to do. This is what it looks like. A couple hours worth of dragging through here. Took down a lot of the big humps. It's a lot flatter than it was. But going through sod is probably the toughest thing to do. But there's still sod here. It's just going to take a little bit of time dragging it out. At least you can walk through here a lot easier without tripping over yourself. And you can pretty much see that it's a start of a driveway. Yep, I wish I could have got more video, but it's just me here today. Colleen's gone. She'll be back next week. So that's what I've been doing.